Hi friends, I'm just showing you today noise cancellation ear muffs. You can see it here, like it is Huarui company who is making this muff, and this is actually useful where there is a lot of noise, and like for example when you are at a firing site, or if you are doing like mowing in the garden, or you are doing any work outside, and then the machines where you are having a lot of noise. This will actually help protecting your ears from that noise. You can see that it comes with a user instruction, though it is pretty easy to use and simple. That all these details are there, that what frequency is nice and to helpful to reduce. These are the actual ear muff. The quality of ear muffs and the cushion is good. You can see like the plastic, it comes in a handy pack so that it will take less time. This is the cushion on which comes on your head, and you can see this cushion is also very helpful and thick. So if you see this you can see like the cushion on the top, and then from the bottom it have little screen, and this folding features will help reducing the size. Now see the cushion on these ear muffs, and it is very thick and is able to hold all of your ears. I tested it on my ears, and this actually holds well and covers all the ear at once. Now if you see here like the joints, so you can extend it through this ear connection thing from the lower end, not from the top end. So I just take it to extend this from here like through the muff side, and now you can just wear it on your ears. It fits perfectly well, covers all the ear, and is pretty much comfortable and help in reducing noise. It's pretty good and comfortable.